In this video, we're gonna take a normal F-150 XLT and we're gonna convert it into a TRX killer. I'm gonna do all this under 1 week. So here we're starting off with a 2015 XLT F-150. So this one is optioned with the 5-liter Coyote V8 Gen 2. Already off to a good start. Now this one specifically has a Rouse Phase 2 blower on top. So these make right around 650 horsepower with the kit. And if you get these installed through the dealer network, you get a warranty with these. First things first, get the suspension up to par because obviously the factory components will not be able to withstand the abuse this thing will be put through. That means upgrading to Fox 3.0 internal bypass shocks, which are true bypass technology. It can be finely tuned for any off-road conditions, and most importantly, they look good. Now, since we aren't starting with the Raptor, rather a F-150 XLT, the factory control arms and spindles will just not cut it at all. So this truck is being upgraded to the RPG Off-Road Mid-Travel Kit. It's full chromoly construction, thick and beefy, spherical bushings at every pivot point, grade 8 hardware. They come already powder coated to withstand the elements for years to come. This is a major upgrade even over factory Raptor suspension. So the work isn't over just yet. The small, tedious things always take the most time. And this truck is getting a much needed braking upgrade because remember, larger tires, added weight, more power will always stress a braking system. So the Alcon 6-piston brakes and 2-piece rotors will definitely give this truck an added safety factor that most people skip. Also, this truck needs to look the part. So it's going to the paint booth to get prior damage fixed, get the wider Fiberworks fenders installed, and paint match also. Now, after paint, this truck was looking great, but we're down to our last 24 hours. So in the shop, it was just a mad dash to get everything working, all the finish wiring, making sure everything is good, but also quality control, because I failed to mention in the beginning, this truck needed to be delivered to California. So the clock was ticking and it's time to knock this truck out.
Middle one, light, outside, all of them. You need. Jesus. Wow, that's really bright.
So if you're interested in the parts list or you want us to convert your truck like this, visit the links in the description below. This is another banger by 337 Speed. Peace.